Bam, bam. Welcome to another episode of Scotch on Stocks. We are live watching Roaring Kitty talk about GME. See if he likes the stock or if he doesn't like the stock. It'll be interesting today. Stay tuned for more as we figure out whether we're going to be making some money or we're going to be losing some money. The chat's going nuts too. F11. Bam. Let us go. Let us go. And let's see what's up. Because the markets are going insane today. We are red overall. It's not a big deal. It's part of the day, but it's gonna be an interesting one. How many people? 150,000 people watching a guy speak about game stock out of all of out of any stock. It's like this guy, man. It's like he don't even care about the thumbnail. You know what I mean? This tells you it's not about the rapper. It's about the content. Insanity. Hello, guys. Insane. Make sure to keep
And according
alive.
to a program, BTC Azeri light crude loading set at 619,000 barrels per day in July.
So just keep in mind in 10 minutes time at the top of the hour, Fed's Cook is slated to be speaking. So they're not due to be speaking on monetary policy or the economic outlook, as this is the Fed blackout period and that is outside of her jurisdiction at the moment. But again, Fed's Cook is slated to speak in 10 minutes time, just not expecting any monetary policy talk from her.
Okay. It's interesting. Let's go. Simon's in the house. GME, baby. GameStop. Roaring Kitty, dude. A guy wearing a kitty shirt making millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. It's gonna be sick. Holy man. F11 here and then F11 here. Man. Is that crazy story? Crazy story. Should we keep the... Guessing we should keep the GME chart up too. Stocks bouncing from the lows. Those are the little lines that I'm following. Made a purchase back here. Bam. Today is an ugly day. Oh, like today I was up like crazy. And now it's like, I guess it's giving out all the gains, you know? That was the time to sell and just rebuy back in. Buy the rumor, sell the news. To every single time the market tells you and people don't pay attention. Even me. But, you know. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. And the Nvidia split, no. Today is about GME. Today's about GME. But I mean, like it shouldn't affect the stock, but it is gonna. That's for sure. NVDL should see some movement going into next week, and if CPI data comes in better than expected, markets is gonna overall go up. So it's gonna be sick. Holy, we're what? A couple of minutes away. 7 minutes away. Like there's this is the insanity, you know. It's like 180,000 people are watching this guy just talk about GameStop. Insane. Insane. So we'll see what happens, you know. But it is a crazy one to be paying attention to. Like last time we saw, like if we go back, just to give you a little bit of perspective of how big this is like this was when he's like when it started all of it, right? It was like, here, I like this stock, and then it just sudden you're like seeing like climbs, you know, stock goes from like $1, $2, $3, and then all of a sudden it shoots to $120. And I think they did a split. Yeah, they did a split at 4 for 1. So this was like 400, $500, which was like sick, you know, like so much money. Like I think the stock was shorted over 100% of the value of the company over that, you know. This time the short float, like, you know, it's only 25%, so I'm not thinking that we're gonna get maybe a rally like that, but like if you see just the movement that we've had compared, like if we get any sort of movement that is similar to the volume that we saw before, like we haven't seen that, you know? Like we've seen a little bit of hype. He's like hyped that he's coming back, but yeah, you know, this guy was insane. 5 minutes away. You know, people are making like I think his position. What is Roaring Kitty's position? Let's have a look. Boom. It is gonna be great. Everybody's streaming this. Like this is the event of the week, you know? We've had jobs data and the jobs data was super weird today. So it'll be interesting to see what happens, but it's like roaring. Got a roaring kitty. He hasn't posted. He posted a bunch of memes. Like he's been posting memes, and that was the only reason GameStop started booming. It's just because of that. No, it's not here. He's not gonna post it here. Where was it? It was Reddit. Yeah, it's like he has June 21st contracts. He has, I think, how much? 120,000 contracts. Insanity. And then he bought the stock at 21. And he has 5 million stocks of it. So it's like his position is just massive. You know? And this, because you put two zeros on that, that's what, 12 million? No. How many? That's 100. It's 120,000 contracts. So it's what, 1.2 million more stock, is it? Insane. Hello, Argy. How you doing? 3 more minutes until the stream starts. Like it's gonna be so interesting what he says, you know? Like, is he gonna crash the stock? Is he gonna boom the stock? Like, what's the deal here, you know? Like, there are people that are looking to close his account. There's people like, it's insane. Like, so many people. 230,000 people watching. Just, wow. Like, they've been in the stream since he posted this, and he posted it 2 days ago. The hype is coming. Like, this was it. Like, this is what he posted, literally. It's like, he just went from...
Yeah, and is this something...
Which gamers understand this, you know? He just went from bam, bam. That's what he posted. That was the post that made the stock go crazy. This time around, you know? Just insane. Wow. 2 more minutes until we get into the live, and let's just go and see what's up. So this is GameStop. So since here, pretty much, GameStop. It's freaking nuts. It's just so crazy. GameStop. Like we can see the stock rally like crazy today. Man. And we're going to see how the market behaves halfway through the day too. Overall market is taking a breather, so GameStop, dude. I'm telling you, GameStop. It's like look at the volatility in the stock, and this has been like very little, you know. Yeah, this is interesting. But yeah, it's like if you look at just like the weekly volume during those times, it was like the amount of stock traded was like 1 billion stock compared to like the current 100 million. So if we see any sort of movement like that, obviously like there had to be more just because of the amount of short sellers that were in the stock. They had to buy back, you know. They got pushed to buy more. Let me go to live. Bam. Oh la la. As soon as he goes live, I put him in the bottom and we pay attention to the stock. Just see how the stock moves. Is he gonna be late? Can you imagine it's like just somebody that bought his account? It'd be crazy. See that stock hit 10. It's like 60% down in seconds. Like there's so much hype.
As expected, Fed's Cook does not
338,000.
comment on monetary policy or the economic outlook in their commencement address.
Insane. 338. Oh, he's late. Just refresh just to make sure. Hi, Netflix. Hit the button. Bro, this guy made almost $300 million from GameStop. And right now he's up another like 200. He's like right now he's worth like 400 million. Insanity, bro. Insanity. Like yes, you know, it's like I think his position right now it's worth it's what? Yeah. Like I'm like he turned $50,000 a $50,000 investment into like a $200 million account. Insane, you know what I mean? Like insane. Oh, stock's down. Stock's down because he's not live. He has what? Right now he has 5 million times what? 3550. He has $177 million worth of stock. And he turned that he had like $50 from it. Like 50,000. And he turned 50,000 into that. No, bro, he's just investing. He's just some dude. Like he's just some dude. Like literally. If you look at his like talent, like he's a dude that wears like cat shirts.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to make a video about
Just
my
some
investment
guy.
style.
It's just some guy, you know? So we'll see what happens here, you know? But it's like, yeah, I mean, yeah.
JP Morgan changes their first Fed rate cut view to
GameStop's
November
halted.
from July.
GameStop's great. GameStop's halted just before his live stream. Great. Great. He's just some dude, man. But it's interesting how they put him in the movie. He has a movie made of him. You know, that's the reason we are seeing 370,000 people right now watching this live stream, you know? Buy the rumor, sell the news, boys. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Like, it's insane, you know? Yeah, dude. Like, if you wanna understand this better, watch this. Watch this movie. Dumb Money. Yeah. The power of Reddit, the power of like, yeah, just social media altogether, like what it could do. Like have a look at this movie tonight, you know? And you'll understand what's going on. And then you'll want to buy a freaking GameStop, you know? But I would suggest if you're looking to invest, stay away. Stay away, right? Like this is let's throw it at the wall and see what's up. For sure, you know? My goodness. No, he just started talking about it. So this was like Wall Street bets. He started posting on Wall Street bets, Twitter, all that stuff. Lols. But yeah, insane. Insane. Oh my goodness. Arrested. Just boom. Not allowed to speak. He's 5 minutes late. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You mind he doesn't show up? Stock is halted right now. And he just strolls the world, already sold. He's like, yeah, guys, thank you so much. Just boom. Crazy. Did both of my positions touch on that? Yes, they did. Nice. Nice. Yup. Bro, he has 464,000 people waiting. You know? Insane. Exercise the calls. If he exercises the calls, that'd be good. Stock booms. Just wow. Wow, wow, wow. The suspense. It's so good. It's so good. Bro, like there's 464,000 people. He has the movie. Like watch the movie and then you'll see it crazy. Like the way they depict him is like, yo, like the guy's like, I don't, you know, it's like, I want a beer. And it's like, what do you have? It's like, give me your cheapest beer, you know? And it's like, but like, what do you mean? Just buy a nicer beer. And he's like, no, I'm happy with that beer. I'm cool. You know? And then all of a sudden he's like, yeah, I just spent 50,000 in this stock because I think it's undervalued. That's the way they depict it, you know? So it's really cool. It's very, very cool. And then all of a sudden he just booms it and then goes in and it's just like crazy, you know? So yeah, it's gonna be intriguing today for sure. Like everybody, like, you know, it's like I think he's been tweeting for like over 2 weeks already. So there's just been hyping it up and hyping it up and hyping it up. And the stocks is just like, just because he tweeted, you know, if he says, I like the stock goes nuts. You know, it's like, feels like it, you know, almost like a cult following behind him. Bro, he bought it like at $2. Like actually less. He bought like what, 50 cents? Because if there was a 4-1 split, he bought a 40, like 50 cents a stock, and right now it's sitting at $40. That's why it's so worth so much money, you know? Watch the movie, Arky. Watch the movie. I'm telling you. I recommend it. It's actually decent, you know? Like, yeah, bro, 50K into well, what he has right now, which is like what, 300 million, 400 million? Insane, you know? But yeah, it's like if you look, like this was just like look at like that's 2,700%. It's like, and he's still like 500% up still from like those numbers. So this was the original rally. This was like during the meme stock mania. Like GME started it all. AMC, Nokia, all of those. Yeah, you want to buy Face stock? I think they were gonna get bought out, but yeah, they are. You're not allowed to. Disagree. Don't even show it to me then. They should be, but they're getting bought up. But they're worth nothing. They were worth like pennies on the dollar, as I remember. Bam. Bam. Stock's sitting at. He's 10 minutes late. You imagine there's no stream today? Like that's it. There's no stream. Nah, you can, but I won't show it to you. So it's like here. Let's just go here. I'll show you. Ooh, that's interesting. Face stock. He wouldn't even show it. It's worth 18 cents. That's so weird. Market cap's 14. Bro. People must be going nuts. Let's have a look at what. Insane. No, that's me. Nice. Let's have a look. He just has a bunch of people waiting.
Time is still scheduled for 10 minutes ago.
Eh.
So, yeah. Okay. Let's do a little bit of, I think we need a little bit of jazz here. What other music should we play? Let's get some other music going.
Like even CNBC is broadcasting this. It's like it's so crazy. Insane, man. Insane. GME's halted again. Bro, the problem is like, I mean, you could, you know what I mean? Like, if you could buy it, I don't even know if you could buy it in normal markets right now. It's a pink stock. Like, it's a pink sheet, probably. Oh, they merged. I think you might not even be able to buy it anymore. Because they got bought out. I haven't folded in a while. But you could. The interesting one, it's going to be this one. It's going to be this one. Man, just crazy. It's 464,000 people watching this. Plus, they're live streaming this on CNBC. Plus, 10,000 people here. Plus, it's just.
Oh, but that's okay.
First of all this.
Oh my God. Will he go live? It'll be hilarious if he doesn't. And he's just selling his position right now. Just trying to get it out. Just wow, man. Let's have a look. It'll be interesting to see. Hopefully, like, you know, that the thing is when you're becoming a public company, you lose a lot of control. Because you can't just be doing crazy things, you know, you got to look out for the brand, you got to look out for the shareholders. Insane. Bro, he's not coming? What is happening? He's late. 15 minutes late. Still fashionable. Let's have a look. Ooh, JP Morgan changes their first Fed rate cut from November. Wait. To November from July. Oh, really? Just now? Okay, I thought it was the other way around. AMC, that's the other one, right? But like I don't like this guy was not behind that, you know? Yeah, the cinema company. You know what I'm gonna look at? Yeah. See, we've seen the increment. Bam. Here was the initial spike. Bam. Like we've not seen anything like the last time, you know? I think. Even YouTube searches, let's just go. Like we've seen nothing compared to it, you know? Insane. Hmm. 450,000 people. Think he shows? The earnings were bad, so he's like, nah, 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 no. I don't like the stock no more. And he sells it. Yeah, he's like, no, I don't want to play. I don't want to play no more. Yeah, he can show you. Look. AMC stock. Bam. Like, look at the hype. Stock hits like almost 250, 280. It was crazy, you know? And then boom. Just boom. Stock goes not with a meme rally. How you doing? Come. Hmm? This is OBS. I'm on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, you can see. Yeah. Scotch and stocks. Yeah. But yeah, that's AMC. Yeah. It was nuts, you know? So it's like all of a sudden the meme rally started and it was just like just a bunch of companies that people were short like during COVID. They were just sold massively. Yeah, well, that's the thing. It's like COVID happens and the stock just takes a tumble. You know, and then bam, 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 then just boom, massive rally, right? And it just goes up. You know, it's like if you had looked at the short interest, so how many stocks were like down? Yeah, like it's like when usually short, you borrow the stocks and then you sell them in the market. They borrowed 100 more than 100% of the company and they sold it and they just didn't have stuff. But yeah, just insane. You know what I mean? Just insanity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. It's like this is the big event. 450,000 people watching this event right now. Not me, not me. No, not me. Me is only 6. but here it's like yeah, this guy we're waiting for. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, GameStop is the thing right now. So much money in the stock. So much money in the stock. So it'll be cool. It'll be very cool to see. You think you finished today? Huh? Nice. Let me know how I can help. But yes. Nice. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. A couple of bucks went on the have a look at the other ones. Because there were like a little bugs that like jump on the paint. A little. I tried to take them out. But yeah. That's how much money I'm losing today. It's gonna be an ugly day. Hopefully. But yeah. We'll see what happens. It goes up, it goes down, so we could see it potentially go back up. I'm making money. Yeah, no, I'm just waiting. Like this is just market volatility. Stock sitting at like GameStop sitting at 34 right now. We're still waiting on this. If nothing happens, it gets ugly. He's 30 minutes late. 20 minutes right now. Bro, like I'm honest. I'm an honest guy. But that's not just my GameStop position. That's a couple of positions, but the whole day is red, right? So if you go, for example, if you look at the overall, well, actually, like a lot of tech's down. What's down today? And GME is down for me today. Nvidia's down. Like it's mostly GME, but I'm still up on the trade. A little, a little. Yeah, just volatility, dude. Just crazy volatility right now. Market's overall up today. So it'll be interesting to see what happens.
Money by Wall Street.
So people have stayed present.
Oh, boring, boring.
We're just waiting on the same thing, dude. Everybody's waiting on this. Wait, did it close? Still not live. Still not live. He knows that Wall Street just like click it away. He's not coming. Stock drops. It's like, maybe it's the time. Oh yeah, Finvest, dude, recommend. Yeah, here. Yeah, Finvest. This one is like, you get to like look and research and do a bunch of different things. You can see the winners, you can see the losers of the day, you can see your stuff, you can see the news. So much stuff. You gotta bump it up. And then it's like, for example, if we go GME, tells you a bunch of things about the stock. Like you can look at their financials. You can look at, like you see right now, 25% of the company is being short sold. And there's a lot of long-term holders, maybe. You know, stock's been rallying like crazy. They had earnings today. Stock's hitting 33 right now. I'm still profitable, so I'm not too bad, you know. Market's cooling off for a little while. What can I say except you're welcome for the stars, the sun, and the sky. It's okay, it's okay, you're welcome. Then you have like, yeah, here you can do a bunch of research. It's worthwhile. Man, what is happening? That chat's going so fast. Bro, like, there's so much, like, you know, it's like so much. I'm showing you the simple stuff, you know, but here you can find like a bunch of different things. Like this is my platform that I use. And then you have other stuff too. It's like this is just the basics, you know. If you tune in more, you get to see the other things. But this is fun, you know. I like it. Like when you do, like at the beginning, it's like learning how to do research, learning where to find it, and then you learn how to find it. Then you're able to just. Right now we're waiting. He has the whole of the world just waiting for him. He's gonna go in. He's gonna be like, "Hey guys, I like stock," and he just leaves. You imagine that? Man. Halted again. Yeah, like this is but yeah, yeah. He's big now. You know. I think like this account has grown from just in the last couple of weeks. He's gone from 500,000, 600,000 to yeah. Actually, YouTube stats. Let's go! 25 minutes late. Let's go. Bruh. This is hype. Stock's gonna explode. It just got halted again. It just got halted again. Stock just got halted. Stock just got halted. So we'll see. This is insane, dude. Oh. That worked. Bro. Bro, what a crack. Yeah, this guy's hilarious. Ah! Bro. What am I listening to, man? Yeah, give me a second. Something is off here. Holy. I think I have multiple streams happening.
Am I okay? Am I okay? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, that was a close call. That was a close call. My shit set up there. I get my shit set up there.
Give me a second. Wait.
Can y'all
Bro,
hear me
what
right
is
now?
happening?
Can y'all hear me right now? I kind of forget how to do this. I kind of tested it. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't keep up with this. I can't keep up with this. You can hear me? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I am so
I
weirded out by
can't
this.
move the chat. Oh, you can.
All right, let me just restart it and then done. No. What is happening? Oh man, I have too many tabs. Too many tabs open. Holy smokes,
going okay,
bro.
So I think we can get let's chat here just to see. Okay, all right. I think it's working. Honestly, I can't believe that shit. I thought for sure I'd fuck it up somehow. Welcome everybody. Happy Friday. Oh shit! I didn't even pour the beer yet, but that's okay. I got a beer. You know, I know it's the middle of the afternoon.
Bro,
here,
if he has a
right?
beer, I'm gonna have a
5
Scotch
o'clock somewhere. It's not 5 o'clock.
It is 5
here,
o'clock
but
here.
It's about to be. Oh shit! Wait, do I gotta wear this shit the whole time? I don't think there's no YouTube rules like whatever your drip is when you start. You
it
gotta keep
opened
rocking
and it
it.
opened
I'm
at
pretty
37
sure
again.
there's no way that's a rule.
All right.
I mean, I'll keep it up for now because
I'm having so many issues.
Cheers, everybody! Let's go. Oh shit! Look at this. It's going up. I could say that, right? Can I say that? Can I say it's going up? Is that okay? Look at this. I can't keep that getting over. I think I can say that. Cheers. Crazy stuff going on these days, huh? Crazy stuff. Can you believe it's me? Can you believe it? Because it kind of looks like a lot of people don't. So I figured I'd pop in here, say what's up, everybody. I hope everyone's doing good. I know it's not the usual time of the stream, but figured I'd see what's going on, check in, how everyone's doing. No real game plan here. Just wanted to hop in, see what's popping. Damn. Yo, there's mad heads in here. God damn. All right. Okay, yeah, so I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a few years now. I hope y'all are good. We've been doing okay here, hanging in there.
Such a mellow guy, dude.
You may not, I mean, I was just messing around with this. This isn't
Stock
a real.
gets halted again.
This isn't a real bandage. This isn't a real. What do you call this? A splint? Is that the word? It's not real. I'm messing around right now. I'm messing around. Okay. So other than this, we're doing okay here, right? It's been a crazy. Well, first, I mean, it's been a crazy few years, right? It's been a crazy couple of months too. Oh shit. Yeah. Bonkers.
Dude.
I wanted to. Oh, here, let me just close.
Bro.
Oh, it's pretty good to be back, you know? I kind of forgot. You kind of forget what it feels like after it's been so long. Huh? I hope.
Bro,
You
this
know,
guy's just
before I get
trolling.
started here, just be fair, I feel like, what is it, Ocean's 12? Like, how many espressos do you have? 5. That's me right now, you know? But now you got to make the switch, you know? You do the little pre-gaming. You do the pre-gaming action, which in my case might be some coffee or some espresso or something. But I think it's time to make a switch, all right? So, you know, I mean, I don't know what type of beer you think I'd be going for today, but, I mean, maybe this isn't the right day to do it. I mean, I hope, can I do this? Can I show this? Oh, you can't see it! You can't see it! Oh, can you guess what beer that is? Can you guess? That's a hint that you can't see it. Oh, I should have tested that. Whoops. Oh, shit. Let's see if you... Oh, you see it! Oh, they see it! I mean, I'm not cut up with the chat, but at least I can see y'all scrolling through there. Green. It's green. It's green. Because... All right, so it's green, right? But go Celtics, all right? Go Celtics. We won last night, all right?
6 million more
I'm pulling
barrels
for them.
the SPR.
I guess it's not a green day here, right? But I mean, this is the finals, baby. To start off the series with that shit, come on, let's pour it. Let's pour this. Let's start it off right. Like I said, 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock. Oh, Carlsberg is actually a good guess. That's actually a good guess. That's a green one too. Rolling Rock. Go Celtics. Let's go. See, I can't keep up with the chat, but I can look over. Sorry, I'm new to a lot of people being here, right? But at least I can catch some of your things.
It's gonna be
let's
so
pour this in
difficult,
here.
dude.
My
631.
buddy. Oh, can you see this if I pour it all the way in there? I should have showed
He's
you
like
before I poured
live
this shit.
on
My
like
buddy hooked me up with some.
CNBC.
Oh, you can't see it. Oh, you can't see it. Maybe when the head pops up. Hold on. Let me just pull that up here, huh? Man, I kind of screwed up the pour there. That's okay. Okay, I'm doing it with one hand. Also, I'm sorry. I mean, I was late, but you try starting a stream rocking this. You know, I mean, I'm doing it. I'm like trying to do it opposite here. All right? Sorry about that. All right, not for real though. I think I gotta take this off. It's messing with my head. I feel like I'm actually injured or something. How do I do that? All right, let's do that. Whew. Whew. All right, let's pop that off. Whew.
Just insane.
Oh shit! It's stuck to my hair. Shit. Okay.
Just insane.
Let me pop that over there.
Hold it again.
It's getting kind of warm in here too, but I mean, now you know I was just messing around. I don't need this ice pack. I got this ice pack just in case. I mean, it is getting a little bit warm, but again, I was just messing around. I don't actually need this. But if I get too hot, let's hope the beer cools me down. Yeah.
The
So
guy's
what's
like
up,
this.
everybody?
Like, this is.
I gotta be. Do I have to be careful what I say here? I'm not really sure. I don't know, but I did want to hop on the stream here. I mean, some of you have seen. I've been back, kind of active for a few months, but I did want to. Oh wait, let me just move this over here. Figured I'd check in. This is me, by the way. I see a lot of question marks. Oh, is he back? Is it someone else? I mean, can you tell? Can you tell it's me now? I mean, what weirdo spends their free time working on memes? You know, like, is someone else? Is someone else doing that? You know, I own it. That's okay. But no, hey, this is me. I'm not AI either. Or am I AI? Ooh. I could be these days. You know, I see it's changed a lot these past few years. But no, this is me. I wanted to pop in here, be like, yo, what's up? Say what's up. I guess remind everybody that this is me, that I'm the one active on my accounts, of course.
People had that question.
To say here? I see.
Nobody
I see a lot of the
knew
stuff
if it
out
was
there.
like
And it's like, what the hell?
fake or somebody was taking over. Or...
What else? Oh, these are the accounts I'm showing, and my positions are mine. You know, it's like those are my positions. I'm not working with anybody else. I mean, I'm not working with hedge funds. Like that's kind of, it's like the same stuff as last time. So it's kind of interesting to see that stuff. So I'm like, all right, I gotta hop on a stream and just remind people, you know. And then what else? Like I'm not an institutional investor, you know. I'm not all this other stuff, and I am definitely not Paul Dano. All right. I don't know if you thought you were gonna tune in today. It was gonna be like Paul Dano on here, but I'm not Paul Dano. Okay.
Stuck.
And actually, I gotta be honest here. I still haven't seen that movie. I haven't seen them. I've seen some clips. But I still haven't seen that movie. But no, I'm not Paul Dano. I'm not Paul Dano either. So I'm sorry to disappoint if that's what you were tuning in to see. Oh no, I'm causing it to go down. I need a button that like I press the button and it ejects me from this. If the price is going down or if I say something, oh boy, just press the button and get me out. But it is what it is. What am I gonna do? Yeah, so I just wanted to check in with you folks, remind you all that stuff, let you know that it's me, say what's up. Let me see this chat here. And yeah, so I mean, can I talk about GameStop? What can I say about GameStop? I mean, the funny thing is that I have a lot of the same feelings about everything. You know, it's you kind of. I mean, I've talked a lot about
Yeah, a bunch of people
GameStop
watching
and how I
too,
feel
eh?
about the situation and all that. And I thought I wanted to hop on and kind of reiterate a lot of my viewpoints that I had
very cool.
previously. And yeah, I think
TikTok, you're on
I think to
TikTok?
remember my previous thoughts on the company and the opportunity. There was kind of like a two-part
Nice.
thesis.
Hello,
to
hello,
it.
everybody.
And that second part of the thesis is a reinvention of the business model or a transformation, whatever you want to call it. And I just to remind people who, if you haven't seen my materials, is that we're in that second part of it here, where it's less about. I see over the past couple of years, I see an overemphasis on like that
Wow.
legacy business, and it's just there's no over. It matters. It's not that it doesn't matter, of course, but they're in the transformation stage here, and what could they transform into? You know what I mean? There's a lot of question marks about that, understandably so. But essentially, it becomes at this stage of that second part of the analysis, this transformation part, it becomes a bet on the management. You know, in particular, of course, Ryan fucking Cohen. You know what I'm saying? Ryan Cohen and his crew. And that's what folks are should be focused on. You know what I mean? And that's probably going to be an ongoing debate as to how people feel about him, whether he can successfully transform that business. And those are great discussions. And those are good discussions that need to be had. And so when I look at the situation, though, and I'm kind of going to be echoing some of the thoughts that I had previously, is that I feel like I see enough where I believe this guy might be able to do it, right? That's not a guarantee. This is the same thing as before. I mean, I'm not promising anything, but over the long term here, I think he seems like the type of guy. He seems like he has those characteristics, and the way he approaches this seems like he might be able to do this. But again, that's not a guarantee. This is kind of like, it's kind of based on feel. You've heard me say that, right? And so I have that feeling. I have this feeling, and I'm like, all right, let me reiterate some of these feelings that I have. But it remains to be seen, you know. And you should keep your eye on stuff too. Reserve the right to change your mind about stuff, just like I do. Don't follow anyone blindly. Nothing on this stream is advice. Hopefully, you all know that, right? This is the same thing. But like when I have a feeling about that, it's like, all right, well, let me share it. I could be wrong about stuff, but I think, all right, let's talk about it. And I don't know. I think he has the characteristics that he could do this. In particular, I think we can all agree GameStop finds itself in a very unique situation, just like it did last time, right? Not just in the gaming space per se, but you have a company where you actually have so many people rooting for it, right? They're rooting for it to work out, myself included. How often does that happen? That folks like really want it to work out, and it's a highly unusual position, and it's so unusual. The way you manage that situation is. You gotta manage it the right way. And honestly, the way he seems to be doing it, I think he's from a distance here, right? I have no idea, but I put myself in his shoes, and I think he's kind of seems to be taking the right approach, given this very unique situation that he finds himself, that the company finds itself in. You have a lot of investors kind of following what's happening, kind of wanting it to work out. You know what I say? That's very unusual. It's a very unusual situation. And I don't know if there's not too much precedent for it. You see it with some other companies, especially when the CEOs or the managers are just so heavily investing themselves in the business, investing themselves in the turnaround. And there's some managers out there who are somewhat similar. So I see it in Cohen. So that I think that he has the type of he seems to be doing the right things. And I know the question marks will be, well, what has he done? What is he doing? What's the plan? You know, those are fair questions, but you know, do you really think he's been doing nothing, or GameStop hasn't been strategizing, testing some things here and there, and how to move forward? I think that's pretty ridiculous. Dude. At some point, I think we've seen enough, in particular from him, to be honest. I think we've seen enough from him to think he's got a good head on his shoulders, and he's, again,
Number
we haven't seen
one.
anything. It's speculation. You can argue
Number
that,
one.
but honestly, the way he seems to be handling this, and we don't know a plan, and that's fair. But boy, you're right-sizing the ship. You see even the legacy business cutting costs, trying to stabilize some cash flows, just try to stabilize that legacy business. But now it's all about the transformation. And that cash pile is growing. It seems to be growing. Will they raise more money? We'll see. I don't know. I mean, I see it, but if you just change one factor, and that's that you don't think Ryan Cohen is a doofus, all right? If you don't think he's a doofus and he's not a fool, if you don't think that, and all of a sudden, suddenly they're sitting on billions of dollars in cash, right? And you actually think not only is he not a doofus, but he's extremely talented in that he has the capability to turn this around. Even if you don't agree with that, right? Even if you don't believe it, that's fine. If you just pause for a moment and think about that, I think it really changes your mindset, and that becomes the bet. That becomes
still.
the bet, and I don't know. This is
Our key number one, dude.
It's
Yes,
it's going to be a debate.
Point.
But as time passes, you'll see.
No,
That's the thing. I
today
think
with
some
the
people
loss,
say,
but-
a lot of time has passed. We ain't seen shit. And that's fair
Peace
too.
out.
But again, I think because of the uniqueness of the situation, I think generally in this type of case, being quiet, working on stuff behind the scenes, and thinking about what you're going to do, it could be a good approach. That's not the end all be all, right? We'll see where it goes from there. But it's a good starting point. And I personally don't think 3 years is too long in this case. 5 years, 10 years, all right. Like if we all wait in 5 years, 10 years, it's like, all right, we're gonna be going into the pet rock business. Come on. Reserve the right to change your mind, just like I do. That's how you should approach this. But in this case, right, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. And it seems like people are quick to be like, oh, well, they haven't announced anything. The legacy business is struggling. Therefore, it's over. You know what I mean? I think that's just kind of silly just because I think it could be, it's just not proof of anything. Now, again, they start selling some pet rocks, all right, okay, let's revisit this. But right now, there's some uncertainty about it. And it becomes a bet on the management. And you'll see that this is a thing in financial markets. It's unusual that it's a public company, but if you're dealing with like a venture capital opportunity or a startup company, this is often how it works, where you may have an idea or you might have a management team that you believe on, and that tends to be what you'll focus on. And do they seem like they have the right skill set to pull it off? That's the focus. I mean, that's what I mean. This is not unusual in financial markets generally. What might be unusual is that this is a public company, right? In that you have non-institutional investors. You have non-institutional investors who are like making the case for it. That's highly unusual, but it's not unusual in financial markets. It's a little bit different this time around, and so it's just an ongoing argument, discussion, and you won't really. No one knows for sure. I mean, especially me, right? You don't follow anything I do. You see all my disclaimers and stuff. Same thing. None of this is advice. I have an aggressive style. Blah blah blah. You know that stuff. But when you're dealing with these types of opportunities, right? I say it's unusual, but in financial markets, when you're dealing with these types of opportunities, you could lose it all. You could lose everything. They're highly speculative in nature. You should know that. These are very risky opportunities. And they are risky because there could be tremendous upside if it works out. But that's the balance, and that's why in those types of opportunities that I'm talking about, that's the trade-off.
What's it called?
Big potential opportunities.
Compliance
you could lose it all, and you kind of factor that into your analysis. And so it's the same thing here. So it becomes kind of a bet on the team. And from what I've seen so far, I think I reserve the right to change my mind, as you should too. I'm a believer right now. Let's see though. 3 years. Let's see what happens from here. But I think with a significant amount of capital, I don't know. I think let's see where it goes from here. But that's kind of a reiteration of a lot of stuff I said in my last stream. There was two parts of the thesis. Then this part of the thesis, if you remember, I ascribed at the time. I'm like, well, we can't even discuss this. It was like the bottom of that Word document that I had. I was like, well, let's discuss this when it comes. Well, it came. That kind of first part worked out, and now it's a discussion about this other stuff. So, I mean, I'm probably, you know me, I'm rambling now at this point. I'm probably, let me pour that stuff. But that's I'm just reminding y'all that, you know, like that's gotta let's see where it goes from here. But hold on, did I pour? All right, you can't pour it all. Can I get that? What's a drink? My buddy hooked me up. My buddy hooked me up with that. What's a drinking strategy, baby? What's your drinking strategy? Clearly. I mean, look at the impact I'm having here. Where's that button to eject me out of this? Cheers, everybody. Huh? What's a drinking strategy? Let's do this.
Chin boys.
All right. Yeah. What now, though? What now? I mean, now what do we do? I mean, I kind of got some of that stuff out of the way. I should. Like, should I do?
So much hype. It's so much hype.
There. Do I show? It's frozen again. It's frozen again. Can I? Let me chat. Can I do a portfolio reveal? I've never done that on the stream before. Can I do the portfolio reveal? Is that okay? I think I can. I don't think there's any issue with that. I can. Yes, I can do that. Okay. Well, those YouTube rules, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me just check. Let me just make sure this is legit, hunky dory. Oh, it's frozen right now. Oh, it's halted. I won't do it while it's halted. We'll wait till it's not halted. I think it's halted, right? Is my screen frozen? I think it's. Well, let's see. Let's see if it starts moving again. It's kind of it's helpful that it just moves without.
That's so crazy. He's gonna show just nice. Yeah.
But yeah, I'll do that. I'll show you. These are the positions that is just like last time. The positions that I posted. Those are my only positions. There's no other positions. There's no other folks I'm working with. You know what I mean? It's like pretty similar to last time. So I saw people saying that. I'm like, oh no, those are my only positions. I mean, does cash count as position? Well, you see that. But yeah, that's it. Those are my only positions. So
in 10 minutes time.
Yeah. Well, again, my aggressive style investing was almost certainly not suitable for y'all, right? I'll always say that. Risks are severe. You can lose everything. What I do is not a recommend. You know that because I've said this all this time. You know, this is not. It's important to reiterate, though. It is. That's why I would do it in my streams previously too. You got to know that. Educational, just not an investing process, but also the risks involved. So I'll do that. I'll just show you. But yo, you see some of those headlines this week? I mean, I see some of the headlines y'all see. Oh damn, some of the headlines. Whoo. We probably all know about the same amount about this situation. You know what I mean? Based on that, like some of the headlines we see, I kind of see that stuff out there. I'm like, oh no. You know, it reminds me of the Dark Knight. You post a couple of memes. You post a couple of screenshots, and everyone loses their mind. You know, it's like, no, man, chill. It's okay. But yeah. So we're as far as some of that stuff goes, navigating that, doing my best to navigate that. Yo, chat's crazy. Oh, happy birthday! Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the happy birthday wishes. Cheers, y'all. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. Cheers, y'all. Is this an yo GameStop? Was this an early birthday gift from y'all? You know, the early birthday gift of early earnings announcements and an offering. I guess. Cheers. I guess you wrap it up in a gift or some shit. Oh, thank you, chat. All right. Yo, I can't. Oh, that's very. Thank you. Thank y'all so much. Yeah, that's very nice of you. I kind of feel. Watching. I feel like I've been cosplaying as a streamer because I'm not used to having so many people on here. And like I'm saying, yo, chat, what up, chat? I mean, cheers to all the folks. We've had some good times over the years, right? Cheers to my YouTube crew, of course, my fellow Redditors, even on X now. What up, X? Cheers to the X crew too. I mean, so many people on social media. It's pretty cool. Like many of you know, you grew up. Still birthday thoughts. Cheers. You grew up on kind of the internet, right? You grew up with the internet, it's not halted anymore. And I feel like a lot like a lot of us are in the same boat on that. I think that it's a little bit of a connection that, not me, all of us, right? We all kind of have. It's a pretty unique generational type thing. But anyway, I have, on the streaming front, I've never had a ton of followers. Oh, you see how many people? Oh, damn, I didn't even... Holy shit, 600K. What up? What up? Oh, look at it. Oh, is that hair? Oh, yeah. I mean, is it time for a haircut, too? Oh, it's unhalted. It's unhalted. Okay.
It's
okay.
halted
How do I do
again.
this? All right, let me just test
It's
something.
halted again.
No, is it It's halted again. Is it? Is it not halted?
That's hilarious, bro. Bro, like, there's so much volatility on this stock. It's crazy.
I think it's halted. I think it's halted again. It's halted.
I don't
Everyone,
know if whiskey.
you're beating me
I
to
wanna
it. I'm gonna
enjoy it.
show it. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it. Halts. Don't make me. Don't make me. Halted. Well, it's hard. I mean, this is at least I'm up to. I mean, no, at least I'm up to date on the stream. It's like a. I don't know how long you're supposed to have in between messages so that I can kind of read it. I think I did like 2 minutes this time, but I really don't know what's appropriate. But record halter. Yeah, we got to see what happens from here. We got to see. But
Insane.
all right, we'll see when it gets unhalted. What else?
Bro,
Stuff to touch
like
on
this
here?
guy must be losing so much money right now. It's crazy.
Get down over there.
Grab a Glenfiddich. Nope.
All
right, what am I drinking?
I was like,
I have a drink.
yo, shout out Brockton. I seen that. See, I'm gonna see like bits and pieces. I'm sorry. This is probably how streams usually work. This is right. Shout out. Let's go. I mean, shout out to so many folks. You know, I've been talking about social media and friends and family. Shout out to so many people. I know for some folks it's been a while since we touched base, and so this is an opportunity to say what up to everybody. Oh,
And
damn.
Like,
I know, but that,
the movie made him
what
big.
What else?
He's very quirky. You know?
Still halted? Let me just check it.
Like, he was big before, I think, too. Like, he made a
Still
lot of
is.
people a lot of money, too. So that's very intriguing.
Still is. I'm trying to keep an eye on the chat here. It's good beer. It helps. I mean, I don't want to take credit
In 5 minutes
for
time
the
now
Celtics
at the
victory
top of
last
the hour.
night too. I mean,
See the
sorry
release
if
of the
you're not a
weekly
big
Baker Hughes
basketball
rig
fan
count
here,
numbers.
but
Oil rigs, the
I mean,
prior
the
was
green helps.
496.
The green,
Total
drinking the
rigs,
green
the
during
prior
game,
was
I think it
600.
does help. I think it does help.
Late, dude. That's so crazy.
Halts are 5 minutes? Oh, I didn't even realize how long they were. Yeah, 600K. I'm reading all this. Oh, I'm not reading all of it.
Chin
Just
chin,
checking it.
everybody.
Give me some prompts. You know,
Chin chin.
to roll with here.
Might as well.
Oh, damn.
When in Rome.
So still going. I know. I wish I had. I know. Well, this isn't really a traditional stream, I suppose, because a traditional stream we're kind of just shooting the shit, checking in on stuff.
Ooh, very nice. Like, I'll grab a
the
drink,
halts are due to
you
the
know?
stream?
Still sitting at 31. It's about to go. We're going to see a rally here.
Movies. All right, let's go. Yeah, movies. Yeah, now we're talking. I mean, I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm not sure. I know probably a lot of people tuned in for different reasons. We about to start talking about movies. Just
Chin
random
chin,
things.
Aki. Chin chin.
Yeah, I know. I got. Well, you see. I hope y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed some of those memes. You know, you can see I worked a while on that, which is obviously extremely embarrassing, right?
It's about
You think
to
I
come
don't know
out.
that? I know that, but I think it's kind of fun to work on them. I hope you think some of them are funny too. I think see that's the internet in me, right? Some of y'all know, like that's as a professional lurker. Now I get to share something like, all right, here's something that I worked on too. But you know, it's been like a lifetime of entertainment. It's been pretty cool to like, all right, let me share some of mine. Not just the memes, but kind of a lot of the stuff I do. It's fun to. It's just it can be fun. Although I see some people, right? I'll work on the memes and they're like, oh yeah, when they were like, oh, they're not sure it's me, and they're like, oh, look at those low quality edits, and I'm just like, oh, I'm like, oh no, I mean, I'm not a professional video editor or anything like that, but oh, oh, it hurts. It hurts. I'm doing my best here. I'm trying to learn. I'm doing my best. So I'm always laughing at them. It's fine. I know they're not, but it's like oh snap. I'm trying my best.
This guy came in
is it
front of
unhalted?
Congress to have a conversation.
All right,
with
it's
them, just
unhalted.
to-
All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Don't try to do it. All right, let me bring it over here. I think it's fine. If
Like
I
they're
bring this
halting
over.
it
Let me
based
check.
on like minor
refresh.
moves, like less than 5%.
Oh, we got it. All right, I'm gonna bring it over.
So I'm
Don't
kind
hold
of
it. Don't hold it. There you go. All right, there you go. Is it on the chat there? There you go. All right. Cheers. Cheers. I got it up there. So those are my only positions. You know, as you know about me, I'll take. It's a true YOLO again, I
$170
suppose.
million.
Depending on, I know there's some cash there. That's what I mean. It depends on your positions, but it's another YOLO again. You know what I'm saying? It's how I roll. So that's that there. But I seen those headlines. E-Trade. I see those headlines. I gotta check. I'm checking in every day. I'll log in. I'm like, are my positions still there? Are they still there? Let me check. They're still there. Wait, they're still there. Okay, they're still there. I wasn't even like paying attention to the details.
He's hoping to
they're
get
still
executed
there.
on these.
But each morning, I'm like, I don't know what's happening. So I go, all right, well, don't make me. Don't make me, but E-Trade, I'll do this with HTML. I'll do that. Don't make me remove it. I know how to do that. I'm just kidding. No, I'm going to put it back. We're good. We're good. Those positions are there. Those positions are there. But I'll do it. I'll remove it. Don't make me. Don't make me do it. Don't make me. I'll delete that from the HTML. I will. All right, Mr. Robot Hacker here. You know, I learned a thing or two, and I know how to delete that. I don't want to do it. But I can. I'm just messing.
Guy's down
people. Okay, it's still, I put it back.
$72 million.
I put it back. No, but see, I see those headlines too. Y'all see them? I see them. We're like, what the hell?
$72 million.
I'll be waking it up. You know that meme too, where the guy wakes up and it's like all green. He's like, oh, he's squinting. He's
still up.
He's
146
like, he's waking
million.
up looking. I feel like that's me in the morning some days. I'm waking up
You know
and
what I mean?
squinting. I'm seeing the stuff. I'm like, oh,
It's
what?
insane, bro.
I'm like, what the hell did I do, man? So that's where we're at right now. Oh, did it go
It's
down? Oh, is it
halted again.
Oh, it's halted. Well, that's where it was, right where that's where we're at the halt. See, I wait to the halt because if it's halted, it doesn't show the stuff. So it needs to be unhalted. I don't know why it does that. It just is. And so, yeah, there you go. There you go. That's where it is for now. That could go down. It's going down. It's going down. In general, educational advice here in general, not specific to games. But remember, with all investments, okay, especially ones I'm involved in because they're inherently very risky, they go up, they go down. You can't explain that. They go up, they go down. You can't explain that. No, but you should be aware of the risks going into any position. But again, especially ones I deal in because they tend to be extremely volatile.
My God.
I like to think that I have a good sense of my thesis, but I get stuff wrong. I have historically. I will again in the future. Could be 594. I mean, it's always important for you to understand that, and I have to understand.
Bro, like he's so humble.
So,
you know what I mean?
But
he's so
I get
humble.
a feeling. If I have this feeling, I act on it, and that's. I mean, I make that joke in one of my YouTube videos. It's based on feel, but it's like a confluence of factors, and the easiest way to just describe it is this feel that I have, and at the foundation, in this case, of my feeling, right at the foundation of it is kind of that long-term outlook that this type of company has the prospects that it could work out well over the long term. And in the short term, we'll see. But in the long term, like that's like the foundation of it. So it's like a collection of things. And but
it's 160 million.
Risks.
He goes $160 million in the
but
call
honestly,
option.
I mean, you think it's a joke? I guess it's a little bit of a joke because that's based on feel. Whoa, let's see. Where's my? Do we do that? I mean, do we have questions to ask it? I mean, I'm not only. Oh, someone beat me to the 8-ball. I just saw your chat. So you beat me to it. I just reached for it. I just grabbed it, but y'all beat me to it. I don't know what to ask it though. I don't know what to ask. Can I ask an 8-ball? Can I? I feel like I can. I don't think that's problematic. What's the date today? The 7th? Oh, can I do charts? Oh, so wait. Oh, before I do the 8-ball. Oh, well. Can I show a chart? Can I analyze a chart? I feel like I can analyze a chart. You know, it's not a science. Can I look at the chart a little bit? Here, I'm gonna move this over. It's halted anyway. Check out that chart though, huh? Can I do charts real quick? Can I do charts?
Bro.
Y'all might have seen this too, but wasn't that kind of funny? Wasn't that kind of funny? Like it comes down to like right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that line right there. It came down. Well, I don't feel like drawing it right now. I'm just going to use this as the draw. Like, you get that? Oh, man, I'll draw it. Whatever. Do I have a lawyer in the room? No, but maybe I should. And I should give them control of that button. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Don't say that. Don't eject him. Eject him. Where's that button that I can press? Sorry, I'm only going to catch some of these. I'm going to catch the ones that are going through there. Don't do it. I know. Does the 8-ball constitute advice? Does it constitute advice? You know? Or, I mean, you play... You look at that. Oh, you see that one. You know what color that one is because you can't see it. Sorry, I'm jumping around here, but you know how my mind works. But was this one played today? Did someone play that and I didn't see it? It feels like someone might have played that. And I was like, oh, I missed that. I missed that. But there's always that. There's always that.
Bro.
Do I have any others? Oh,
That guy has 10
those
million
are the
in the bank,
three.
he's
I
like,
feel like those are the
let
three
it ride.
funniest ones, you know?
It's done.
Oh, okay. Wait, what was it? Oh, what'd you 8-ball? Well, hold on. Let me just get to the chart real quick. Wait, can I draw? Hold on. Let me see if I remember how to do this. Oh, I do. Right there. All right, look at that. Look at that. Right at 10. Huh? Look at this. It's like jumping up and jumping down. And it was like right there. This is all a test. But you see that, and then you see I'm going to do another one right there. I don't know.
Bro,
it's not a
he
side,
has a
but you see
video
that. That's
where
like
he
that's
says,
bull.
like,
that chart.
it's like
that
he makes
chart
a
was
joke
just
and he's
bullish,
like, he
you know?
uses like
I feel like most
unicorns
technical analysts would
to make decisions sometimes.
would agree with that. That doesn't mean it's something that's going to automatically.
I don't
do
know if it's a
something. Of course
joke, you
not.
know?
Technical analysis is wrong all the time.
Yeah.
But it can be an indication of something. So you see that. I mean, no, we used to do charts. Back in the day. I think it can be fun. But anyway, I saw folks mentioning that. I had it open. I just wanted to check that out. But that's always fun. It's always fun to do. But you never know. It's always a test, educational. If it works, if it doesn't work, whatever. I always think
According
that's
to
fun.
Nikkei, the Bank of
But,
Japan is to
all
weigh
right, the
future
8-ball.
of JGB purchases at the policy meeting.
First of all, I need a sip, though. Well, we need to figure out what we're going to ask. Honestly, I don't know. Can you do? Oh, let me see. Toss out some questions. As to what we might ask. Oh, it's going down more. Oh no! See, technical analysis. See, it's going down more now.
Yeah, he
See?
messed up my
That's how
audio.
ineffective it can be at times.
Yeah,
You even
yeah.
pull up a chart sometimes.
That should be better now.
Ugh, forget
Thanks
about
for the
it.
heads up, Argy.
Forget about it.
Ray of sunshine
Blue
never
and
change.
Green. All right, that's one. Exercising, that's one. Will Celtics win? That's a great one. A lot of good ones.
559,000 people watching this.
Appropriate one is today the day to do it? Is today the day to ask this something? It does seem like that. Like there's a lot of
Insane.
moving parts right here.
Insane.
Huh. I don't know. Maybe today's not the day to do it. Should it be another day? I don't know. I don't know. It's down so much today. I don't know.
Insane.
I don't know about ending. Oh, now it's going fast again. I'll think about it. Because the question's got to be good. If all y'all remember, like the question is really, that's the important part. You got to get it. You got to get that question right. And I see a lot of good ideas here, but I'm not sure what might be best.
Yeah, I can raise him a little bit. Here, I'll get him. That should be it. Man, like at the start,
I'm
I
not gonna
had
do it now. I'm not
two
gonna do it
things
now.
open.
I'm
I had to
gonna
open
table
different
this,
tabs,
literally
different
gonna
things.
Table it for perhaps another time. I don't know. I need to think. I should have been thinking about what we might ask, but now I see so many different good options as to what the appropriate question could be. I'm not sure. Plus, I don't know if they've. I don't know. I don't think 8-ball constitutes advice, but let me double check. I want to double check on that just in case. Oh shit. No, do it now? Okay. Hope it still
Stops at
works.
29.
Hope it still works. Oh, let me just, what was it there?
Bro. It's insane.
There it is.
So many people were waiting for this, and it created so much hype too.
Okay, let me think. Keep going. Keep them coming. Keep them coming.
Just insane.
I
Look,
wanna
look
ask
at the moves
something.
of the day.
I know we often focus on price action, which is understandable. Like, is there a plan? Could you ask like a fundamental one? Is there a plan? It seems like that's a hot debate. It's a hot debate.
Damn.
It's a hot debate. Maybe they've been doing nothing. You know, I think that's so fun. I think it's.
Today was an interesting day in the markets.
But that doesn't mean whatever plan or whatever they're gonna do is gonna work out. Of course, right? That don't mean that. But anyway, so maybe that would be a different thing where it's usually price action. Ooh. So many good ones. I don't know. There's a nice easy one. What should we have for dinner? Oh. We'll wait. I'm gonna wait. We'll wait. So we table it. So at least we got the discussion going. We got the discussion going as to what the question should be. We got the discussion going.
Insane,
Plant some
dude.
seeds.
Insane.
Let's think about it. Oh, no,
This is a clear example of buy the rumor
I'm not saying any
and
of the right
sell the
things. I'm saying all
news,
the wrong
baby.
things right now. Where's that eject button? It might be time. It might be time.
Oh man.
Am I okay? Oh, that would be. Am I okay? Phew. I don't know. I will say I'm probably not. I mean, I'm clearly. I'm clearly cuckoo. You know, clearly, right? I'm off. That should be apparent now. I think everyone. I think even the 8-ball would agree with that, right? But it's kind of fun. I think there's some other off people who feel like me. Gives me a sense of comfort. Yeah, y'all are off too. Y'all are off too. We're off together. We're off together. You know, the crazy sticks together. Crazy sticks together in a way. Huh? Isn't there a sense of comfort in that? There is. I think. Honestly, I joke, but I think there is.
His strike price is 21. He executes 120. That's so much fine
Let's
balling.
see. Well, watch this. I think for now we're gonna end the stream. I think we're gonna end the stream now. Let's end it. Oh.
40% down.
Let's restart it.
Insane.
All right, let's restart. Let's restart it. Let's restart the stream.
Bro, he's almost a million.
Man.
That was like
what's he gonna do?
300+.
All right. I just see it. Oh no, he doesn't got shit. Oh no! Oh, he's legit crazy. Oh no!
Halted
Oh,
again.
We thought he wasn't crazy. That's your bad for thinking I'm all there. You know what I'm saying?
Such an insane drop.
Oh damn! That's your bad. I'm not. Is it halted? Oh, just saying that halted the stock. I'm sorry, but that's funny. That's funny. I don't know. I think it is. I think it is.
Oh man.
All right. Okay. If that's the case, I think we're gonna end the stream now. We're gonna end it now, and let's see what happens. I know we'll end it now. I'm gonna do one. Let's do one final cheers. Thank you everybody for coming.
Chin chin, everybody.
This is awesome.
Not every time is a
Boy,
dub.
this is you're a real streamer. When you're like talking to the chat like that. Oh, I have a lot of respect for.
Insane.
I mean, the real streamers, day in, day out, grinding and stuff like that. Obviously, I already had a lot of respect, but now seeing this and even doing all this stuff yourself, geez, I know people work with teams and stuff like that, and that's I get it, but just so much
Insane.
respect.
Insane.
But I'll cheers to y'all. I'll see y'all around.
Oh, it video's up today.
We'll
Let's
see y'all
go.
around. Thank you for popping in. I appreciate it. It's whether there's 0 people or a lot, it's always it's nice to have folks hanging out. You can hang out in person, you can hang out online, you can just a lot of us I don't know, share thoughts and have a good time, and I think that's great.
Yo, Arky, watch the movie. Come
Cheers
back to you
y'all
tomorrow.
for
Let me,
now.
let me know what you
Cheers.
think.
Cheers. I think I gotta chug now. It's, like I said, it's 5 o'clock now, 6 o'clock somewhere now.
Cheers, everybody. Oh man, he lives with a star halted. Like, bro, so much money.
What's your drinking strategy, baby? I don't know. What's that? What's that? All right. Cheers to y'all. Thank you for coming by. We'll see what happens from here. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, I forget how to end this though. For real, I'm not even joking. I think I'm gonna press something there. And then no, I do that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. All right. Cheers to y'all. I'll see y'all around. Happy Friday.
What
Have
did-
a nice
what-
night.
what did
Have a
I
good
just
weekend.
watch?
I'll see y'all around.
What did I just
Adios.
watch? He just hangs around there for a little bit.
Oh.
He just
All right.
hangs around there.
For real.
Yeah, just-
Peace.
Oh my god, dude. What the fuck did I just watch? Oh my god, dude. Arky, watch the movie. Check it out. What did I just watch? Oh man, he likes the stock, dude. That's it. He likes the stock. Let him be. Oh man, that was hilarious. Oh man, well guys, thanks so much for watching. Arky, you're a real goal. You're a gold star. Never changed, bro. You are number one. Oh man. Yeah, put in the watch list, dude. It's just like it's an interesting one. Like they make it like they make it good, you know? Because like the guy goes to like a lot of people lost a lot of money. Like he was making bank, but a lot of people lost a lot of money. So it's an interesting one for sure. Yeah. I still don't know how to do the heart, dude. There you go. There you go. That's a heart. Sort of. Peace out, bro. Cheers. Oh, I'm just gonna wait until it gets unhalted. I want to see at what price it comes back in. Like
Shortly
there's
expecting the Fed reverse repo
I wonder if
operation.
there's gonna be that much selling pressure.
69 counterparties take
27. Buy.
395 spot
Buy here. Buy.
$462 billion at the Fed reverse repo operation.
I want to see it opens up at 27. Boom. All right. Peace out, bro. Peace, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. 42 views. Not bad. Not a bad day for work. Peace out, boys and girls.